Welcome back. So just listen here. What they have given means the triangle they have given PQR, and because this is P and Q as well as R, and there L, N, M are the midpoints. So of a PQ. So for the PQ, that's a PQ's line. L is a midpoint. Okay, and then for a QR, this is QR, right? QR, N is the midpoint, and for a PR, so you take this PR. M is the midpoint. Okay, and they have asked the area of a quadrilateral. So you know that it's a quadrilateral means what? Quadrilateral, they will be having a four sides. How, what and all structure it may be, but there will be four sides. What's a quadrilateral? They have asked the L, N, R, P. Is it right? So L, N, R, P. There will be four sides, but maybe may not be equal. That is different. Okay, so let us consider. So you take a PQ. Okay, so you take a PQ as a A, and that is equal to 40 centimeter. No problem. And you take a QR as a B, that's equal to 32 centimeter, and then afterwards PR is equal to, you take it as C, and that will be equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so you know that area is equal to, you'll be having the total perimeter, it can be divided. So yes, you take it as a 40 plus 32 plus 24 is total having the area. Okay, so you want to just make the perimeter, you have to divide it by 2. Okay, that's a perimeter that you should have to understand about that. Okay, once after completing the perimeter formula, what is the answer? Will be 48. Okay, so you get because 72, and then afterwards 96 by 2, it's about 48 centimeter. Okay, totally. So you know that formula, area of a triangle. So listen me, I just write a triangle in the shortcut form. Area of a triangle, that's equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So which will be equal to, if you apply all the terms, you will get a 48 into 48 minus 40. Okay, so 48 minus 40 I can write, and afterwards 48 minus 32, S minus C, 48 minus 24. So if you substitute all the values, and you will get a final answer as 384 squared centimeter. Okay, because area is it, right? So you know area means what? You have to use the squared centimeter as the form of a unit. Okay, now what I have, they'll be having an area, so we have to get the PQR. Okay, so this is the area of what? Triangle PQR, the full triangle, that is equal to 384. There is 384 square centimeter or centimeter squared. Square centimeter is available. Now what we have, we'll be having the next one thing, so that you can have the very clear form. So here, how can we have area of triangle PQR, that you have to mention clearly. Okay, that can be given as equal to 4 times, because that's a quadrilateral, right? So I have to give the 4 times the area of triangle LQN. Okay, first you take this one. So first of all, you just take LQN, this triangle, and afterwards that also equal to 4 times area of L triangle. Okay, triangle LMN. Follow me very carefully. Okay, LMN means what? LMN. So the center triangle. So consider the center triangle LMN, and that also equal to 4 times area of triangle MNR. Okay, so please consider this edge triangle MNR, and that also is equal to 4 times area of triangle PLM. Okay, PLM, you know, so try this one, the topmost triangle PLM. So all are equal to the area of PQR, right? What's the area of PQR? You know, 384 square centimeter. So this also equal to 384. So this also equal to 384. This also equal to 384, and this also equal to 384. But we require only this area, is it right? We require only this area. So we have to eliminate LQN. So do you understand? We have to eliminate the term of LQN that we don't want. So automatically, though the first one what you have, so you have to find the thing. So area of the triangle LMN. So the area of triangle LMN, and that is equal to, because I'm just cancelling 4 and 4 everywhere. So area of triangle MNR, that's equal to area of triangle PLM, that is also equal to area of triangle LQN. Is it right? So that implies we can have 384. Okay, 384 divided by 4, because one of the things, because all are equal to 4, is it right? 4 times 4 times 4, because it's quadrilateral. So if you divide, because 1, 2, 3, 4, totally 4 available, so I divided by 4, and 385 divided by 4 is means what? 96. So each one will be equal to 96. Okay, do you understand? So each one, because I just written 4 into this one is 384. So 4 into this one is 384. So what about this one means, if you take anything, this one means 384 divided by 4, that is a 96. So each one will be having 96. Okay, so we have to get the area of quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral, what is the LNRP? Okay, so I told you already, LNRP. LNRP means we have to eliminate the LQN. Okay, so we have to eliminate the LQN. So this one we don't want, because already we have to form the quadrilateral of only with these three, is it right? So that means automatically it will be equal to area of triangle LNM plus area of the LNM. So LNM is a center, LNM plus area of triangle MNR. MNR means what? The bottom one. So this also comes inside the quadrilateral, MNR, and then plus you have to take area of triangle PLM. So PLM means what? Uppermost triangle. That also comes inside the quadrilateral. So if you consider means for 96, area of LNM is 96 plus area of, because each and everything is 96, is it right? But only thing we don't want LMN. Plus MNR also 96 plus PLM also 96. Okay, so 96. So totally the answer you will take about, if you take 396 means what? Totally automatically what you have. So the answer you will get as a 288. Okay, 288 and a square centimeter. Okay, so this I can make as 280 meters. So automatically the answer will be 288 square centimeter. So you add 390. You understand, etc.? Because each and every angle corresponds to 96, 96, 96, but we don't want that LMN. Okay, because LQN. So the LQN already it is out of the quadrilateral. That is the only thing. So if you have any doubts, means please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Sorry for the long time, because I got a somewhat bigger issue in the laptops. That's the only problem. Okay, thank you very much.